Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve home screen on Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve home screen on Facebook, you should just go to setting. Then you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you'll enter to Facebook and you can click. As you see in this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode. And in the end, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.